Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Vidisha's Creations. We are doing Kerala mural motif. In the last video we have done some patterns about the Kerala mural. Now today we will focus on ornament designs, which is very popular and very unique in Kerala mural design. So without wasting any time, we will start with the pencil. In the last video we have done with the pencil, but today I will use the black permanent gel pen. Okay, so let's start. See, in Kerala mural painting, they wear lots of jewelries like shoulder jewelry, anklet, wrist jewelries, necklace, everything. So we will start accordingly. So start with the shoulder. Okay, so first, suppose this is the shoulder. Okay, now this is shoulder, so you need to draw one circle here. Again you need to draw one circle here and here. Okay, and just draw some lines over there. Okay, now just 1 2 3 and 4. Now 1 2 3 4 and just draw like this. Okay, this is a little bit tight. I need to test. Okay, this is the jewelry portion, shoulder jewelry portion. Now we need to draw one line, two line. Again we need to draw one line and just make some small circles inside the line. Again just you need to draw okay. Now one. Okay, got it? Now the next one, the line like this. Okay, now you need to trace one line like this. Again you need to trace this line like this, one line and second line. Okay, now just draw, and again you need to draw this line. Okay, and just and draw some circles inside the lines. All these are shoulder pattern, your shoulder design. Okay, this is for shoulder. Now just draw one circle, another circle, again okay, 1 2 3 and 4. Join with this pattern. Got it? Now you need to draw one line here, one line here, one line here and one line here. Okay, just make it double like this. Okay, now you need to draw like this. Got it? Now just draw the line here. Okay, now the next one, just draw Got it? This is simple lotus. Now just draw one line and got it? Now like this. Okay, again just draw one line here, one line here, and one line there, and like this. Just you need to double all the 4 lines. Got it? Now just trace one line, 2 line, one line, 2 line. Again you need to make it double. Like this, and just draw some small tiny lines inside the 2 lines. Got it? Now you can make it like this. Like this, kind of. Okay, got it? Now the next pattern. Just you need to draw one line, second line, and third line, and got it? Now this is little big design, so you need to do some more focus. Like this. Got it? Now just draw 1, 2 and 3, 1, 2 and 3. Okay, all this pattern. Now you take one finger margin and just draw one line, 2 line and 3 line, and just start making these tiny lines. Got it? Again you need to draw and just draw. Got it? Now just you can trace one line, 2 line, 1 line. This is very common in Kerala mural because this is mythological painting. So many god and goddess are there, and they are full of jewelry. So you can trace all the jewelry with the god and goddess, and just you can make the pattern like this. You can, this is very big jewelry. Got it? Now inside this picture just trace some circles. Now just you need to draw same. Got it? Now 1, 2 and 3, just draw some tiny lines. Got it? Now just like this. This is big jewelry. Okay, you need a, maybe you can use in the pictures or maybe not, but this is one of the pattern, that's why I taught it. Now just draw one line. Okay, this is the hand jewelry. First you need to draw this line and just make it double. Got it? And just one line, 2 line and 3 line. Just make some small circles. Got it? That's it. Now you can make some design like this. Okay, now one more design. 1 and 2. Okay, now like this and like this. Again, just make it double, and you need to do this thing double, and after that you can make the pattern like this. Again, you can draw the circle inside the lines. Got it? And just like this. You can make some spiral one here and just trace the design like this. Okay, these all are ornaments design. Okay, so we'll move forward for the next one, and this is for now which we will draw. This is called Nagakundalam. Basically it is there in Lord Shiva's and Goddess Durga's jewelry items. So we'll start. First, this is called Nagakundalam because this is in snake shapes. That's why it is called Nagakundalam. Like this. Okay, just you can make it like this. After that, just draw one line and just draw some tiny lines over there. You can make 2 circles and just join like this. Okay, now you can draw 1 line, 2 line, 1 line, 2 line. This is called Nagakundalam. Okay, after that you can make some patterns like same thing which I am doing. Okay, you can find this type of design in Lord Shiva or Goddess Durga. Okay, now we will move forward the next pattern. This is one type of Nagakundalam. Now I'll explain the second type of Nagakundalam. This is like 1 line, 2 line, like this. Okay, got it? Now you can make like this. This is the mouth portion. Just draw like this, and again you need to draw this line here and trace it. Got it? Now you can make some pattern here. Okay, now just draw the pattern. Okay, just draw some pattern here. This is another type of Nagakundalam design. Okay, just now you can draw some lines over there. This is very common design in which we are using in for ornaments. Okay, now okay, just make it double like this with the simple lines. Got it? Any doubts? Okay, now so next design is Hasti Kundalam. What is this Hasti Kundalam? I am telling you. Just you need, this is in Hasti means elephant shape. So just draw like this. Okay, just draw the 1 and you need to draw like this. Got it? Now just you can draw one patterns here. You can draw a little eye here. This is one of the method to draw Hasti Kundalam, and this is the other one. Just you need to draw like this. Two tuskas there. Okay, just draw like this. Draw the ear. Okay, now this is the pattern. Now you can trace the design like this and make it double. Okay, after that you can draw some line here over here and just okay, you can make it double because like this. This is another method to draw Hasti Kundalam. Okay, now one design is there, Simbha Kundalam. This is also very easy pattern. See, just you need to draw one line over here and second line over here. Got it? Now just draw 1, 2 and 3. Okay, and just draw one pattern is like this. Again you need to draw this type of design and just like this. This is Simbha Kundalam, so you need to draw like Singha. See, you can see the Singha pattern. After that just you need to draw one line and two line. Again you can draw this, you can draw this, you can draw this, and just okay, this is called Simbha Kundalam. Okay, this is very simple. Okay, now I will trace one more design which is called Makara Kundalam. This is like this. Just draw like this. After that one line and two line. Got it? After that just you need one design like this and you can extend the line like this. Here you can make the design and got it? Now you can trace one line, two line, three lines and four line, and in the center you can trace some tiny patterns. Got it? After that again you need to draw. Okay, I'll start from there. You need to draw this. This is, you can find this is anywhere, whatever you are drawing, Hasti Kundalam, whatever you are drawing, like Simbha Kundalam, Makar Kundalam, Naga Kundalam. This is very typical, very special method to draw. This is called, what is this? This is Makara Kundalam. Okay. Okay, so I said one more. I want to say one more thing. You cannot all these design in Kerala mural art when you make big painting. Okay, now we will focus for some jewelry. Sorry, neck pieces. Okay, one more design I can trace for you. This is also Hasti Kumbha, which is called like this. Suppose one. Okay, you need to draw eyes. Got it? Just draw one line over there. Got it? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Now just you need to draw 1, 2. Okay. 1, 2. Again 1 and 2. these are some patterns. Now you can make one pattern here, and just you can you need to make one lines over there, and after that you make some design over here. Draw some more line, 1 2 3 4. Just draw some tiny patterns over here. Okay, and just okay, this is one of the method to draw Hasti Kundalam. All these type of methods you can find in Kerala mural. I will tell you the very popular and very demanding method. So till now it is I think this is enough for today. Just start the practice work. All these designs you can make it very easily in Kerala mural. Okay, so in the next episode I will focus on the some necklace design. Okay, so till then, take care. Bye.